Is trying to catch more sleep leaving you gasping for breath? Have you been screened for sleep apnea? This is the most common sleep disorder, affecting anywhere from 21% to 59% of people, and only 3.5% of people get treatment. Typically with sleep apnea, you snore really loud, you stop breathing, you choke. Partners notice this for sure. You might wake yourself up snoring or gasping for breath, and you are really sleepy during the day because you're not getting the quality sleep or even the oxygen that you need at night to repair and restore and really feel stable energetically. Long-term untreated sleep apnea can cause and aggravate other conditions like obesity, high blood pressure, diabetes. It's very important to know if you have sleep apnea and to treat it if you do.